Good day, viewers. I remind myself again. Ogeneyerowo Otemu teaching on YouTube. I encourage you, if not yet subscribed, to subscribe to my YouTube channel at Otemu Mass Success, irrespective of the country and the class you are. God bless you. Now, I want to talk about, before we go into construction, there are some angles you can construct. Right? There are some angles you cannot construct, you measure them. Angle 120, you can construct using your pair of compass and your ruler. Angle 60 degree, angle 35, angle 30 degree, angle 15 degree, angle 90 degree, angle 45 degree, angle 75 degree, 105, 135, and 150. Those are the angles you can construct. Now, let us now construct angle 120 degree. I'm not going to take measurement because I want to teach you how you can construct it. Now, let us take this first. What you will do, I want to construct 120 first. You will draw a line. You draw a straight line. Yes. After drawing the straight line, the next thing is to measure, take a smaller radius of at least 2 centimeters for the beginners. But those who are masters can take any radius of their type. But like what I teach my children, you take 2 centimeters so that in case you have problem, maybe the compass shake, you can easily adjust and start with from where you stop. Now, if I want to construct angle 120 degree, let me take this point. Let me take this point as my point of compass. The tip of your compass is the tip. You place it there. You draw a semicircle here. Yes. So if I want to construct 120 degree, let me call here A. Let me call here B. So you put it at A to cut this. To cut it. That angle is 120. Then I told you I want to do 62. If I want to construct 60 degree, put it at B. Put it at B. You cut that too. So you cannot draw a straight line from this your point to touch this point of intersection. You draw a straight line. And how do you do it? You touch both ends. You touch here, you touch here, you draw a straight line. So this angle is 60 degrees. Let me write it here. But don't put it there, put it here. But I want to show you that angle is 60 degrees. When you now draw from again here, through here, to the point, this angle is 120 degrees, meaning that from here to here is 120, while from here to here is 60. You can equally construct it on the other side. Okay, let me draw the other side of it. I can do it here, but let me draw another line to show you. Let me draw it here. Let me draw it there. Let me draw it there. Now, with the same two radius, okay, let me take here as my point. Maybe it's here. I used to cut the arc like something of this nature, like this. From there, that's what I want to talk about now. So now, when you put it here, with the same 2 centimeters, you draw a semicircle here. I will call here A. I will equally call here B. So if you want to construct 120 degree, you put it at A, you cut something like this. And you put it, if you want to construct 60, put it here, you cut something like this. So when you now draw a straight line from this point to this point, this is 120 degree. When you now draw from here to here, from there to there, this angle is 60 degree. Okay, let us see construct. I want to construct, let me add and there, angle 30 degree. Angle what? 30 degree. Before you can construct angle 30 degree, you first and foremost construct angle 60 degree. When you bisect 60 into 2, you get 30 there. Now, look at it. When I put it at this point, look at it. We draw something like this. Look at it. I'm taking it down. This is the 60 degree. I'm taking it down. So when I put it at 60 degree, I will cut something like this. So this angle is our 30 what? Degree. The same way, when you put it at this point, you will get this your 60 degree. So let me take it down. When you put it at 60 degree, you cut it. That is your 30 what? Degree. So that is how, let me just draw it from the same point. From the same point here, through this place, draw a straight line. This angle is 30 degrees. That is from here to here. You can actually construct 15. When you put your the compass here, you draw adjust on that, you put it here, you will cut here. From here against another 15 what? Degree. That's how you will do in this other side. Draw a straight line. This angle is 30 degrees. Take a thought here. Look at here. 30, 60, 120. 30, 60, 120. 30, 60, 120. So this is how we can construct angle 120, angle 60, and angle 35 degree. So let us talk about how we can now construct